Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit through the back loop. Knitting a stitch through the back loop is a great way to add structure to your rib stitches or to make your cables really pop. It can also be a great way to close eyelets in little holes. So let's dive right into it. So I prepared this little swatch for you here. All cables and all rib stitches were knit through the back loop, and as you can see, they really stand out quite perfectly, don't you think? Now, knitting through the back loop might sound a bit arcane, like it was the secret knowledge of a selected few, but it's actually quite easy to knit and there's no need to be afraid of the stitch at all. So, let's show you how to knit through the back loop. For a normal knit stitch, you insert the needle from left to right and then you knit. I'll link you the description up in here in case you need to catch up. And if you want to knit through the back loop, well, then you have to insert the needle into the first stitch, but from behind and from right to left. So this is how you need to insert the needle if you want to knit through the back loop, see? And from here, you need to wrap the yarn around the needle counterclockwise and pull through. Let's do it one more time. Insert the needle into the back loop from right to left, wrap the yarn around and pull through. So it's quite similar to a regular knit stitch, only that you insert the needle the other way around. Let's do it one last time. Insert the needle from right to left, wrap the yarn around and pull through. It's quite simple, isn't it? So let's show you a little trick. Sometimes a stitch ends up twisted on your needle, like this one here. Typically after you picked up some stitches. To untwist it, you can simply knit it through the back loop and it's fixed. Of course, what you can also do is you can untwist it before you knit it like this, but I feel that knitting it through the back loop is much faster and quicker than all the picking up and slipping it again. And here's one more trick. Sometimes you end up with little yarn overs or extra large and extra loose stitches on your needles. For me, that often happens when I pick up stitches to turn the heel of a sock. There's always this one annoyingly loose stitch in the corner. And if you want to close such a big and very loose stitch or a yarn over, you can knit it through the back loop like this. And this basically closes it. Now, you will still notice the difference between a knit stitch and a KDB stitch, but I think the twisted stitch is preferable to a big hole in your fabric, right? That's it. That's how you knit through the back loop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And make sure to subscribe to my channel because tomorrow I'm going to show you how to purl through the back loop. And this is what you need if you want to knit these beautiful twisted cables. So stay tuned and happy knitting!